how to set up price alerts in kayak.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to kayak.com, and then you need to choose your departure airport and your destination, and then just put in the flight date and the return date, the number of people traveling, and hit search. And once you search for the flights, on the right hand side, you can see track prices pop up. Just tap on it. So here it will prompt you to enter your email address and create price alert. Now tap on create price alert. Price alert has been set, and whenever the prices changes for the flight that you have searched, you'll get a price alert on your email address that you have entered. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.